So this is us, and we are at Meadow Vale. Yeah, I might be right. Campsite. If not, I'll just fluff over that and change the name again. It's got showers. It's got admin block. There's a little, I think that's a little fire safety system there. They are doing some improvements to the place. You know, got women's toilets and showers just there. We've come because we're going to the Fuddy Duck Brewery. I'm just going to check out what's happening in here, and then we're going to have a walk up. So yeah, we've got the flat Lincolnshire grounds over there from us. I say we're going to have a walk out to the brewery. It should be about 30 minutes. It's over there somewhere, just across the railway. But yeah, it looks nice. We were hoping to have a walk into Boston, but because we'd been to the museum today and looked at the Bomber Memorial, it sort of put us down a little bit on time. But it's not too far into town. I'll turn us round. Go on, turn around. Yeah, you can see the church there. That's the centre of Boston. That's a mighty tall tower for a town that is in such a flat area.
I think it was quite an important area in the past, though.
Okay.
Don't get killed.
Don't be killed.
Well, I was just reading about the Mayflower and the Pilgrim Fathers, and I'm sure we'll find out more about it tomorrow. But seemingly they came from Boston and escaped to Holland, and then went from Holland to Plymouth, and then on to America, and that's why Boston is called Boston.
Good stuff.
There you go.
Every day is a school day, and as you said, that is Boston over there. Morning everybody, it's Sunday morning, it's bright and blue. We've had a pretty good night at Meadow Vale campsite. They have got a couple of guard dogs on the gate who at certain times of the night, I don't know what they got spooked by, but they did bark. It didn't bother me too much. It did wake Helen up, but she'd got other things on her mind as well. We're just going to head up towards Skeggy and go and have a walk along the coast and walk the beach. We're going to cut the holidays short due to family issues and get off back home. But we're going to try and make the most of the weekend and then see where life takes us from there on.
It's a good plan.
A good plan, she says.
No plan is a good plan.
No plan, and yes, we're still only either turning up or booking one day in advance. We have rung up a place in Skegness, and yeah, they can get us in, which probably wasn't to be surprised, it being the end of January. But we'll go and have a look. See you later. Well, we've just arrived at Skegness Sands. It doesn't look overly busy, as you can see. There are plenty of pictures. Turn it around so you can see us. Yeah, it's not been a long drive. 26 mile. Sun's out, blue skies, a little bit of wispy cloud. Not been here before, so we're going to get booked in. Helen's just nipped into the reception. We're going to see what's around, if anything, apart from people in their pyjamas waiting to get in the showers or use the phone. But we'll come back to you later. Well, we've arrived at Skegness Sands. It's a general campsite for motorhomes and caravans. And you can see the dog there sitting there in all her glory, eyeing up everybody that's going. Helen's sweeping the floor as she normally does when she gets here. But yeah, standard hard standing pitch. It's quite a big pitch with electric hookup. It was $24.50. It wasn't quite as cheap as we was expecting, but you are in a great location. It's very secure. You've got showers and toilets on site, and use of all the amenities when they're open. Look, there she is. Always catch her on her knees. For now.
Careful.
Careful, I'll try not to look down the top of your jumper as well.
No, it's alright, I got t-shirt on.
Oh, that's alright then. Makes all the difference. Yeah, look at that. Sweeping the floor. I know there's a reason why I bring her.
You'd be like neck deep in dust before you even thought about doing it.
That and takeaway boxes. So here we are. We're just about to set off. We've just had a look at the washing up and the toilet sites and the showers just over there. Got various pitch types. These ones behind us, we've got grass for pitching your awning on and stuff like that, if that's what takes your fancy. But yeah, it's not a bad site at all, and we are going to go and have a wander along by the beach. Proper motorhome service point behind us. You can see that. So yeah, it's all set up. So far.
I quite like it. Love the beach.
Love the beach.
And I think the Kiss Me Quick side is just the right side of not going over, because most of it's shot.
Lovely. Nearly got him. Right, morning everyone. It's Monday morning. We've had a very brief. Well, let's try take two as the battery just went on the other camera. It's Monday morning. We've had a very breezy evening at Skegness Sands. The wind has been, it's been up there with some of the worst that we've had, and probably,
it was horrid.
Yeah, maybe set a travel sickness off on a little bit. But we're heading off home. Got things to do. I might get a chance to get some of the videos edited. I've still got some from Spain to do, and last weekend and this weekend. But it's been a good trip.
It's been lovely. Sad that it's been a bit short, but you know.
Yeah, I think Lincolnshire's got a lot to offer.
Yeah,
we'll be back. Probably on the way to somewhere else, but we'll definitely be back. See you later.